Hi everybody. In this video I will explain the difference between verify versus assert commands. There are a group of commands, a verify class of commands as well as the assert class of commands. The basic difference I will explain through this video. After going into this website ebay.in, I would like to record two tests, two commands basically of verifying. One is for verifying text and another is for asserting a text. I will explain you the difference between the two, but first of all the tests. Right click on this element on deals and then we will say verify element present. Instead of that, verify text would be ideal enough, right? And another command is right click assert text. I'll just drag this assert text command to the top of the verify text command. Why I have done that I will explain you in a short file from now. And let's run this tests by clicking on the play current test case. It's opening eBay and asserting the text, and the everything went fine. Okay, instead of having deals, I will remove the yes after the L so that the test fails, and let's run again. And it's waiting for that element and it has failed. It has the test has failed, indicating by this red color over here. Earlier, if you have seen, if you remember, both the commands are green in color. Here the thing is happened, the IDE encountered this command over here, and after evaluating to false, the total test cases after that has stopped. It has stopped immediately after the assert text command failed. So if you see the log here, actual value is deals, did not match deal. Our given value is deal, whereas the actual value on the web page is deals. So the test failed, and accordingly it has stopped and it has not gone further. Whereas I'll just change this one to verify text to deals. Deal, I'll change from deals to deal, and then I'll drag this verify text about the assert text, and now I will rerun the test. See what happened. Both the tests failed. Here, if you observe the verify text command, yeah, if you see, both the tests have failed. And earlier, if you remember, after the assert text was failed, it was not continued to the next commands. But here in this case, after the verify text command has failed, but still the other tests have continued. So I will change from assert text from deal to deal so that this will pass. I will rerun the test again. See, this verify text, even though it has failed, but the change in color, but still the next command has continued. So basically the difference between verify and assert is that verify verifies the test condition, and if it fails, it will show that it has failed. It will show that the failures here, but still it will continue. The further commands, it will continue. Whereas in assert class of commands, once the assert command fails, the further commands won't be executed. So this is a basic difference between the verify type of commands and assert type of commands. Thank you so much.